Hey guys, Ken here. As usual, you guys always leave great comments in the YouTube video comment section. And this week we actually found one that was pretty interesting. This one's from Peter. How fast can the Sourdough Sidekick accelerate the process, the fermentation process? Ideally, I'd like to decide at breakfast or lunch that I'd like a fresh loaf on the table for lunch the next day. So basically the question is, how fast can I go from a refrigerated starter, a starter that I just pulled out of the fridge, to a nice warm baked loaf of bread? And that's something that we're gonna find out today. So the first question is, why would you want to refrigerate your sourdough starter? Ideally, you wouldn't. The best sourdough starters are kept at room temperature in a nice warmer environment so that they stay thriving and healthy at all times. But for those folks who perhaps don't bake that often or don't really want to maintain their starter, it gets relegated to the fridge. With the Sourdough Sidekick, ideally, you wouldn't have to do that because you can keep your starter alive for up to 7 days without discard. So that really takes out the monotony or the pain of the process. But to answer Peter's question, we're gonna find out using the Sourdough Sidekick, can we go from a refrigerated starter to bread in less than 24 hours? Let's do it.
Yay.
So here's the plan. Our recipe calls for 255 grams of sourdough starter. And so we're just gonna start with a tablespoon of refrigerated starter and let Sidekick grow that to the amount that we need. So you might be wondering, how do we keep our starter here at FirstBuild? Basically, we normally feed it daily on a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio, but for this case, we took our normal starter and we put it in the fridge over the weekend. So this is a prototype, so remember that things are bound to change, things are going to improve, the screen will totally look different in the final product, so just keep that in mind.
So we know that it takes about 6 hours to do all of the dough work and the bulk fermentation, so we're going to set it for about 18 hours for the Sourdough Sidekick, and this is to make sure that it takes about 24 hours from start to finish to get your bread.
All right guys, so one of the questions we get all the time is, does Sourdough Sidekick actually have a heater or a cooler in it to control the temperature of your starter? In this case, it does not. What it actually does is it adjusts the feeding schedule to compensate for the temperature in the room. So it's got a temperature sensor in there that's measuring the ambient temperature. Your starter is going to quickly go from refrigerated temperature to whatever the room temperature is, and then Sidekick's going to adjust its feeding schedule accordingly.
All right, so it's been 18 hours and our starter is ready. We're gonna start making some bread.
All right, so this is awesome. We were aiming for 255 grams of starter, and what we actually got was about 252. So the Sidekick did a great job at getting us right where we needed to be and right on time.
We're gonna cover and let it rise for 30 minutes.
It's bread, it's dough.
So we're going to do our bowl folds. We're gonna do 10 to 12 of them, and then we're gonna let it rise again for 30 minutes. We're gonna let this rest for an hour, and then come back and do some more bowl folds. All right, so we just finished the bowl folds. We're gonna cover it for 60 minutes and then come back and do our pre-shaping.
Minutes. Stretch and folds.
Oh, more.
More. We're doing the final shaping of our boules. That one's better.
We're going to cover them and let them sit for
2 hours.
2 hours. Flip it.
Look at that.
Wow.
Scalpel. Bake at 450 for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And take off.
Cool.
Okay, it's time to take the lid off. Alright, so we're gonna let it bake another 20 minutes.
All right, guys, so what's the outcome? Well, we think that we came up with a pretty good loaf of bread going from a refrigerated starter to that loaf of bread in about 24 hours using the Sourdough Sidekick. So we're still amateur bakers. Our loaves are never gonna be good as the team at King Arthur Baking, but we're still pretty happy with the outcome. So guys, if you want a Sourdough Sidekick, make sure to grab one now. Pre-order on Indiegogo. The last day you'll be able to do so is April 25th. If there's anything else you want us to give us a shot at, let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're gonna keep on perfecting our skills at baking. Until next time, I'll see you later.